It's a great day in the Protective Diet Test Kitchen, and I'm super excited. I think I've got it. I've got it. After 9 years of testing for natural products, we've got awesome natural dishwashing soap. We're gonna get that toxic junk off of our dishes, finally. I wanna show you the shine, but I also wanna remind you, we've got the best laundry detergent, all natural, scent 1 penny a load. We've got our all-purpose cleaning spray, totally natural and edible. And this is it. This is the formulation. Oh my gosh, I have a few more tests to do on these dishes, but I can't wait to show you. We've got our organic pit paste that is super effective, more effective than any deodorant, any natural deodorant, or any deodorant that I've ever used. And you can rub it all over your body if you wanted to. And of course, our all-natural whitening toothpaste. But check out my dishes. I've been testing all different formulations and I can't get a shine with an all-natural product until today. Check out my ball jars. They are shining. I'm so excited. This was probably the most toxic product in my house for many years, and I can't stand it when I get dishes back from friends. I smell the dishwashing detergent, and I've been testing in 3 cities. These are the lids from the broth mix. I use them underneath my ferments so that they catch the drips. Look at, they're shining. And then today, oh my gosh, look at my jars. I'm thrilled. Today, if you've ever tested all natural dishwashing detergents, you know what I'm talking about. It leaves this horrible white film on everything, and I tested just a few dishes because I've had that happen to my dishes during testing. I ruined them, I thought, for a while. And here the water is very hard, and so this is a good place to test it. We have well water and it's very hard. In Chicago, it didn't work out. I had white dishes. I don't have a water softener here. So this is a great test. I cleaned out my refrigerator today, and this is one of the glass shelves, and look at the shine on it. I had to test something that would really show spots, and there are no spots on there. Jerry, how excited are you about this? We are so excited. No more stinky dishwasher detergent. We were in San Diego, I was just using hot water on my dishes. I'd wash them before I put them in the washer to cut out that toxic chemical. And before that in Chicago, I did the same thing and I was fine just using hot water in there, hand washing them in the sink with the Dr. Bronner's. But here, the water is so hard and full of minerals and really great water for us to drink. But on our dishes, it's horrible. It leaves white everywhere. So we got it. This is the place to test. To premix the PD Natural Dishwasher Detergent. You know, the 3 ingredients that we use in this super shiny dish maker. It is reducing my toxic load along with yours. We don't want any of those toxic chemicals covering our dishes, and this video goes along with the recipe that was given to you a couple years ago when I finally perfected this, but I'm showing you a new technique to make it even easier to work with. So I have a gallon jar here with a wide mouth lid so that I can get into it easy when it's time to turn on my dishwasher at the end of the day. And here's my wide mouth funnel. And what I'm doing is just layering the 3 ingredients, 1 cup after the other. Make sure you know how many cups you plan on making, what you started with, because this is an even mix. And after I layered this up, I layered 3 cups of each, but I went 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so that it mixes easier. Then I'm putting the lid on the jar. I'm always trying to come up with systems to make our natural living even easier. We know it saves us money and time in the long run, because when I need this detergent, I don't have to go running out to the store. I just need to get my bulk bags and mix it up. So before we were doing a tablespoon of each per load, and that got to be so cumbersome working with these 3 containers every night. At the end of the day, I was like, Jerry, can you put the dishwasher soap in? Because that was the biggest pain in the butt to me. So this way, see how I'm mixing it together so that we have an even amount of each. And at night, when it's time to put this in the dishwasher, I reach in here and I use a 1/4 cup that's designated just for this purpose. I put it into my dishwasher. It doesn't have to all fit in the little cup. Just put it in the machine. It will work. This makes my dishes so shiny. And you know, I live in an area where I have a lot of minerals in my water because we have a well. So if it gets my dishes clean with a 1/4 cup scoop, it will get yours clean. And this was the perfect test kitchen to test this out in because the water is hard. So then I store my 1/4 cup measuring cup on top, secure the lid, because we want to keep this from clumping. That's what this is all about. Because usually when we're going to fill our dishwasher, we have wet hands. So I always try to dry it off, scoop my scoop, and put this on the outside of the jar, because I found when I put it inside and stored it in there, there was always a little moisture on that handle and then I'd get clumps. I'm trying to make this just like easy peasy, saving money, saving our life, saving our microbes by eliminating the toxic load out of our cleaning products. Are you using that all-purpose cleaning spray? Are you using the whitening toothpaste, the pit paste, the washing detergent? Oh my gosh, we're saving money, we're saving lives on a protective diet. Take care.
And best of health.